If you're over 60 and starting your day with creaky knees, sore hips, or a back that protests every twist, don't chalk it up to just getting old. This could be your body's SOS, collagen levels crashing. Collagen is the glue-like protein that scaffolds your joints, cushions cartilage, and keeps skin supple. When it dips, bones rub raw, tissues fray, and everything unravels from within. By the time pain becomes routine, you've likely shed 30% of your natural collagen, and after 60, it plummets faster without intervention. Why the silence from docs? Joint agony fuels a multi-billion-dollar machine. Pills from pharma giants, endless ortho visits, even supplement hustles that keep you hooked on symptom fixes. But the real game changer? Your body can ramp up collagen production at any age with targeted foods. In this guide, we'll unpack the top 9 collagen superstars, ranked from solid support to total game changer, including one that spiked joint ease by 53% in 6 weeks, best enjoyed chilled, yet 99% of folks over 60 skip it that way. Drop your age and hometown in the comments below. We're scanning every one and chiming back. Let's dive in at number 9. Don't sleep on its rank. This ancient healer mends cartilage quietly, even as modern medicine overlooks it. Number 9. Chicken skin. That discarded crispy coat on your roast? It's a collagen jackpot most peel away. Loaded with types 1 and 3, the heavy hitters for post-60 joints and skin, a 2019 Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study clocked it at nearly triple the collagen of plain breast meat. Super bioavailable, it floods your system to patch ligaments, cartilage, and tissues like sealant on cracked pavement. Bonus, elastin and glycine ease knee rigidity and lumbar aches. A 2021 Japanese trial tracked 60 elders sipping chicken skin broth twice weekly. After 90 days, knee bend-up was 27% better, nighttime twinges down 19%. Skip the fryer, bake or slow simmer an herb-laced broth. Turmeric, rosemary amp anti-inflame power. Shred into rice or slur the stock. Ditch the old cholesterol scare. Reclaim this stealth fighter against inner fire. Number 8. Sardines. These pint-sized cans hide a joint hero. With skin and bones intact, you snag a full collagen spectrum, type 1 plus calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3s to fortify spine, gums, and joint matrix. A 2018 Clinical Interventions in Aging study showed elders eating them thrice weekly hit 35% higher blood collagen peptides after 10 weeks, rebuilding cartilage like snap-together bricks, while omega-3s shuttle it deep and tame inflammatory cytokines. Low mercury win for frequent feasting. Eat straight up. Mash bones or skin into olive lemon toast, pasta stir-ins or cracker dips. Mask fishiness in tomato sauce if needed. This underdog punches way above its weight for silent joint salvage. Number 6. Eggshell membrane. Eggshell trash? Nope. That papery inner lining is collagen nirvana, blending types 1, 5, and X for joints, tendons, and connectors. Packed with glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid for slick lubrication, a 2017 clinical rheumatology study dosed 120 pain seniors with 500 milligrams powder daily, 40% less stiffness, 32% more range in 30 days. It sparks production while halting cartilage crumble. Peel post-crack, organic eggs, washed clean, dry, grind to dust for smoothies or oatmeal. Store-bought powder works too. Pair with vitamin C zingers like kiwi for turbo absorption. Breakfast hack, waste to wealth for creak-free days. Loving these so far? Smash like to beam this to fellow elders and subscribe to Senior Wisdom. Daily senior vitality drops a weight starting tomorrow. Number 5. Bone broth. Trendy now, but elders' elixir forever. Long-simmered beef, chicken, or turkey bones yield collagen, gelatin, aminos, and minerals for cartilage comeback. Gelatin's the star, liquefied joint TLC. A 2016 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study on 90 osteo-elders, 2 cups daily, 3 months, logged 42% mobility boost, 31% less AM creak, thanks to glycine and proline's repair and calm duo for knees and low back. Prime with knuckles and marrow, vinegar, onions, celery, bay, thyme, 12 24-hour brew for jiggly proof. Morning mug or soup base. Vitamin C vegetables like carrots and peppers supercharge synthesis. Weeks in, smoother strides, cozier comfort. Number 4. Gelatin. Jell-O's secret sauce, pure, broken-down collagen, types 1 and 3 for instant uptake, filler for tissue gaps, easing bone-on-bone grind. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition trial on joint-weary seniors, daily doses yielded 33% motion wins, 29% swell shrink in 6 weeks via glycine hydroxyproline kickstarting fresh build. Bloom unflavored powder in cold water. Stir into tea or broth, thicker, tasteless. Or craft fruit honey lemon gummies, chewable ease over pills. Spoonable simplicity, creak to cushion in a flash. Number 3. Chicken feet. No frills, all force. These scaly stubs are type 2 collagen central for knee, hip, and shoulder padding. Asian Latin longevity staple, a 2021 International Journal of Medical Sciences trial of broth thrice weekly, boosted lube markers 37% in 60 days, muting knee cracks and clicks via instant use form hydrated. Prep ritual? Denail, simmer 8 to 10 hours with vinegar, garlic, onions, and salt for thick gel broth. Rice, lentil, or veggie base, pressure eat the softened bits if bold. Arthritis armor? Pain wince to pain-free stride. Number 2. Collagen-rich organ meats. Beef tripe, tendons, organ skins, connective tissue troves of types 1, 2, and V for flex joints, firm skin, tough ligaments. Amino edge over bone sources shines for stressed repairs. A 2020 nutrient study on elders adding weekly bites, 41% shoulder and hip ease, 35% less grind in 10 weeks, outpacing SUPs thanks to zinc, copper, and B12 synergy. Skip off liversion. Tripe and tendon stews with tomatoes, onions, and herbs over grains. Ethnic spots offer prepped ease. 1-2 weekly hits, mobility magic, grinding gone. Number 1. Skin-on wild salmon. Top throne? Not broths or guts. It's wild salmon skin, crisped and devoured whole. Marine collagen peptides absorb 1.5 times better than bovine or porcine per a 2022 Journal of Functional Foods blind trial. 5 grams daily, jacked skin density 88%, joint flex 39%, AM stiffness 43% down in 8 weeks. Record speed and strength. Skins the vault. Wild caught only. Pat dry. Lemon herb sear skin down till golden. Eat intact. Or miso simmer skins for elixir. Scale strip later. Bake fillets, crunch the edge. Bi-weekly. Joint glow up, back bliss, skin sheen. Doc's overlooked dynamite. Truth bomb. Collagen's no equal opportunity player. Prep and source matter. Ditch pricey potions. These foods, righteously done. Slash pain. Silence knee symphonies. Youthify skin sans overhaul. Commit to a handful. Feel the shift. Which do you munch now, and what's your first ad this week? Comments open. Personalized tweaks incoming. Catch you next